Alright, you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on anything that you find me on. But no, we're going to go ahead and jump into some energies and some messages from the tarot cards today. I am going to be using these dice. We have one for the zodiac signs and then one that just has numbers. We'll roll, see what sign we're going to do. We'll use this numbered dice to go ahead and use that as an indicator to shuffle the cards or shuffle the energy of the cards. It's just going to be a pretty general reading, so we're going to do a 3-card layout, and then you can just take whatever resonates with you and then leave the rest. Also, at the end of the video, I do want to leave on a positive note with a mindful affirmation card as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the video, or not the video, but the message. All right, Divine, who do we have a message for today? All right, so we got Taurus, and I have already done one for Taurus. All right. All right, so we have Scorpio, and we have a 9-card shuffle. So let's go ahead and get into Scorpio's energy. All right, so Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration and guidance from pure intentions for our Scorpios today. Go in your room and go clean up. All right, so let's see what the first card we have for our Scorpios today. All right. So the first card that we have is the 3 of Cups. All right, so with the 3 of Cups, it looks like Scorpio, you're in an energy of celebrating life, being very joyful. You could be throwing a party, or somebody could be throwing a party for you. Scorpio season is coming up in 2 seconds. So this makes sense for you to be in a mood or energy to be celebrated. So this card also signifies someone that could be expecting or getting ready to have a baby. So there's a lot going on with this particular energy, Scorpio. So you could just be getting ready to collaborate with someone. You could have just joined a new union, be it relationship, friendship, or work involved. But there is a lot of energy of being just fruitful, completing something, and just in a mood of celebrating. So that's what we have for the first card, Scorpio. Let's go ahead and pull your second card and see what's going on here. All right, so for your second card, we have the Seven of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles is just really indicating that all of the work that you've been putting into a particular project is going well. It's very fruitful. All of the seeds that you have planted thus are growing, as you see the pentacles on the bush, the man holding some type of gardening tool in his hands, and he's sitting there and he's reflecting on, you know, his accomplishments, what he has growing. And not only that, if he's already growing this, then there's the potential for him to grow even more. So he's just really satisfied right now with the work that he's doing, be it in relationship, be it in your finances, be it in your career or creative endeavors. So that's what I have for this card, Scorpio. All right, so your last card, Scorpio, is your Eight of Pentacles. So the Eight of Pentacles is basically a man that's just willing to put in the work that needs to be put in, regardless of the hours, regardless of what he's going to be missing out on. He's just really focused on honing in on his skills so that he could be perfect in basically what it is that he's doing. So he's spending a lot of time perfecting his craft. So whatever you're working on, Scorpio, it looks like if you haven't been celebrated, you're going to be in the energy of being celebrated very soon. Whatever you're working on, just stay focused on that and continue to put in your all. With this Eight of Pentacles as well, it's also about making sure that the work that you are doing is something that feels rewarding to yourself as well as your community or the people that you're looking to serve. So that is pretty much what I have for your energy for today, Scorpio. I'm going to go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you as well so that we can get into that before ending the video. So your affirmation card says, my energy is my greatest currency. My energy is my greatest currency. And that is so true. So Scorpio, while you're working on your projects, your relationships, your friendships, things that you're wanting to be celebrated for, things that you're wanting to celebrate others for, just remember that your energy is your greatest currency. As long as your energy is vibrant, as long as your energy is abundant, as long as your energy is loving and full of pure intentions, then whatever you have going on, I'm sure it's going to be great. So that is what I have for you, Scorpio. I hope you did pick up something that you were able to resonate with or to find some type of inspiration and or guidance. If you did, be sure to go ahead and like this video. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of your future messages. See you in the next one. Bye.